Whether you pronounce it GIF or the wrong way, you can't deny that these short, soundless, moving pictures have become a staple of modern communication. What's more satisfying than finding the perfect GIF to respond with? Making your own. In this video, I'll show you a free and easy way to level up your GIF game and make your own custom GIFs. Let's get into it. To start off, you do need some type of device like a phone, tablet, or PC that can record video or screen capture. Most operating systems either have those features built in or have free apps you can download. For the examples in this video, I'm going to use the video camera on my iPhone and the built-in screen recording functions on my Mac. My brother just sent me a text message asking if I liked the Harry and David's gift sampler he sent me for Christmas. Of course I did. In fact, I liked it so much I want to respond with a custom GIF. The Giphy app for iOS and Android is a free GIF library that also allows you to record and save custom GIFs. Using the app, I'm going to click Create in the upper right-hand corner. Now I'm going to press and hold the center button to record. Yeah. I'm going to crop it down to a square by clicking the crop button in the upper right and selecting 1:1. From here, I can reposition the picture and then click the check mark. Now I want to add a bit of text, so I'm going to click the text button, type in my text, click Done, and reposition the text so it looks just right. Now that my GIF is done, I'll click the purple arrow on the bottom right. Now I'll click Share GIF and Save GIF. The custom GIF is in my photo library and I can now text it to my brother. Next, I'll show you how to make a GIF on desktop. I just got a notification on Slack that one of my coworkers got a promotion. I want to congratulate her with a GIF from one of her favorite classic 90s movies, Tremors. Can't go wrong with Kevin Bacon. First, I'm going to search for the clip I want to grab on YouTube. Then I'm going to screen capture while I play it. To convert this video to a GIF, we're going to go to ezgif.com. From the homepage, I'm going to choose Video to GIF, click Choose File to select my screen capture, and then click Upload Video. The video I captured is longer than I want the finished GIF to be, so I'm going to click Play and then drag the playhead to where I want the GIF to start. And then next to Start Time, I'll click Use Current Position. And then I'll repeat this to do the same for the end time. In the next section are options to adjust the size, frame rate, and rendering method. You can leave those for now. Then click Convert to GIF and enjoy the swaying cat while you wait for your GIF to render. Now that my GIF is done rendering, I want to make some adjustments to lower the file size and make it easier to share. First, I'm going to crop the image by clicking the crop button. I'm going to choose Square, resize and reposition the crop, and then I'll scroll down and click Crop Image. Now I'm going to resize the GIF by clicking Resize. I only need to put in the width and it'll automatically adjust the height. A good standard width is 480 pixels. Now I'll click Resize Image. I want to add some text, so I'm going to click the right tool below the GIF preview. I'll type in my text into the first box and click Set. You can drag your text to position it where you'd like it to be in the frame. The text is automatically set to the full duration of the GIF, so I'll scroll all the way to the bottom and click Create GIF. The file size is still a bit too large. I want to try to bring it down below 1 megabyte, so I'm going to click Optimize. You can experiment with the slider until you're able to bring the file size down without losing too much quality. Now my GIF is finished. I'm going to click the Save button and save the GIF to my computer so I can upload it in Slack and congratulate my coworker. And that's how you make a custom GIF. Custom GIFs can have many applications. You can use them to demonstrate how to use your product, as a part of a marketing campaign, or even as a way to add a little fun to your communications with your customers. How will you use custom GIFs? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful and you want more content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure not to miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.